We're so blessed to have this mint tree growing in the backyard. We're here in Georgia. Thank God it's kind of semi-tropical down here. And somebody gave me this gift when we bought our house, and I planted it, and look at it, how much it has flourished. So this morning, this is where my tea is coming from. It's coming from this mint tree right here. And I also have some fever grass growing behind me. I'm going to cut a piece of that fever grass. See my baby right now, my husband is cutting the mint tree. So even though we live abroad, we did not forget our roots. We carry the culture with us. We take it with us wherever we go. And that is what we're trying to pass down to our children. Because when we are dead and gone, we want them to carry the culture, you know? And they must know who they are. So that's my fever grass right there. Yes.
Otherwise known as lemongrass.
Yes, lemongrass here in the United States, but Jamaica, we call it fever grass. I wonder if this thing actually helps with fever. Does it really help with fever? Good morning, Mark.
Good morning.
You know what we're having for breakfast?
Fried plantains.
And?
I don't know. Oh, dumplings.
What kind of dumpling?
Fried dumplings.
And? What's the meat kind?
I think saltfish.
No ackee and saltfish. Oh, you'll see, okay?
Okay.
All right then. Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, Mommy.
You know what we're having for breakfast? What we having?
We're having corned beef and fried dumplings.
With?
With
Fried plantains.
fried plantains.
Yes, you ready to eat?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. It's coming. Good morning, Andrew.
Good morning.
Yeah, you ready for breakfast?
Yes.
You know what we're having?
Yes.
What is it?
Dumplings and plantains.
What kind of dumpling?
Fried dumplings.
With?
Plantains.
And?
Sausage.
No. We're skipping American food. It's going to be corned beef.
And spinach.
Corned beef. What you got on the plate? You got some grilled. So Mark ate up all his breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Drank up all his tea, I hope.
Most of my tea.
Most of his tea. What about you?
I drink all my tea and my juice.
Ate up most of your breakfast?
Yeah.
Except the corned beef?
Yeah.
You just don't like corned beef? Okay. Everybody has their preference. And you? Daniel, how was your breakfast?
It was good.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Are you filled for the day?
Yep.
Right?
Good job.
Do you want
some
cake? Do you want cake tomorrow?
My breakfast was super.
Yay.
I would never ask for anything less.
Awesome.
It's fine. I made breakfast.
So breakfast was a winner this morning. It feels so fulfilling to be able to get up and make breakfast and my family enjoy it.
Yes.
I feel good. So my kids, yes, they ate up everything. They ate up all that dumpling, and they ate up all that plantain and most of the corned. So that tells you, even though they are American, they're still Jamaican at heart. That tells you that the Jamaican blood still runs in them, and they can't get rid of it.